Welcome to LitCommerce Academy, your go-to resource for using the LitCommerce app. In this step, we'll show you how to map your product fields to meet the specific feed requirements. Field mapping is essential to ensure your product data meets platform standards. Fields are color-coded based on their priority. Required fields, marked in red, must be filled. Missing these will prevent your feed from meeting platform standards. Recommended fields, shown in yellow, are optional but strongly encouraged to enhance feed quality and visibility. Optional fields, highlighted in blue, aren't mandatory but can be included to provide additional product details. Once you've completed this step, click Save and Run. Your product data will be evaluated, and the results can be viewed in the quality step. And that's it. You've successfully mapped your product fields. Want to learn more? Watch our next video on the quality step for more details. Thanks for watching and happy selling!